Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off a notifications on your Windows 11. So Windows also have a notification like antivirus, news update, Windows update, and another warning for you that Windows provide on notification feature. So if you need to focus, if you need something, or if you need not to bother, you can try to turn off notification on Windows system or Windows 11 by go to the settings. You can click on Windows logo, and here we go. This is settings. Click it and click on system. Here we go. The third option is notification. Alerts from apps and system do not disturb. We go. By default, notification is on, so you can try to turn it off. All this notification. Just one click, there is no more notification. And also you can adjust a notification from specific apps, for example from the IMD software Adrenaline Edition, you can turn off, or any application that provide you notification, you can try to turn it off. And also you can set priority for your notification. Just which notification are allowed while do not disturb is on. All other will remain in notification center. Alarms and important app notification are not affected by these settings. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.